in our own schedule, right? So in the busy schedule also we have to make a leisure time for us. So in this video I'm going to make few leisure crafts which you all are going to enjoy. So watch this video continuously, and before starting the video, if you have not subscribed Bhagvalata, just subscribe immediately and click on to the bell icon so that you will get the notification of our next videos. So let's go into the video. So first I'm going to decorate this pens, pencils, because my brothers are there and they struggle to write. So if the pens are decorated, they feel happy to write. So let's get it. So for that we need, the main is color paper. You can take any of the color. I'm going to choose yellow. So take out the color paper and you're going to roll it. You can use a pencil to grip. Like this, and glue it. See, like this you have to roll so that the pencil can go inside and come out like this. Let's keep it aside. Now take one more yellow color paper or any color you wish. Fold it into half and again fold it into half. Like this. And now take out a pencil. Mark a leaf, draw a leaf. Like this. And cut it out. Done. See, the two leaves are ready now. So you're gonna stick this here and again one more leaf on that like this. Let's do it. So you have to stick it like this and now cut it into leaf like this. After drying, like this, we are gonna cut full.
Just like a feathers.
Yeah. See, like this, you have to trim it in like a feather. Now take out the left out ones, cut it piece, and just trim it like this. Like this. And we are gonna fold like this here and stick it here. Cut it like this. Stick it like this inside also. Now we are gonna stick this here. For down we are gonna do if you don't know to cut it directly, you can draw a bow and cut it out. Like this. Now we are going to stick this first. And on this, stick this bow. You can take a bead and stick it in the middle. See, our first pen is ready. It's right here. See how nice. So you can do like this many pens like this. I already did it. So you can insert any pen or pencil inside and just write it. So these are the 5 different four are same, and like this flower, Chota Bheem cartoon, anything you can do. It looks so pretty. So let's do our next craft. So now our pens are ready. We need a place to keep it, right? We are going to make a pencil case. Let's do it. To make a pencil case, I'm going to use this old toothpaste box. So we are going to decorate it with color papers. Like this. See, like this, you have to cover with color paper, any color. So now I'm choosing this at front. Take out any color strip and stick it like this. Like this. And on that you can stick bow, or I'm going to stick this butterfly here. Like this. Let's do it. See how nice it is. Now I'm going to stick here googly eyes. Like this. See how cute it's looking. Let's draw one smiley face here. See how cute it's looking now. Now here one side, open side. You're going to use like this stickers. The stickers one side, one like this. We are going to stick, and here also, and close, open. It looks so cute. Let's do now. See guys, I have sticked it. I have sticked it with hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can use Fevibond, but you should use more glue. So see here, I'll show you. Let's keep our pens here. This is so lengthy. Wow! See, our pencil case is so nice. Let's do our one more craft now. So my third craft is photo frame using book covers. So take out your old books and remove out this book cover like this. So let's start our craft now. So this book cover, first here, take out your scale and pen, marker or anything. Mark out a frame size here. Like this. And cut out this center part here, only this. Don't cut out the back page, only the front page you need to cut. So like this you have to cut it. See, and stick the front part with your favorite color. I'm going to use green. Like this, you need to stick it. See how nice it is. This too was lengthy and it was cute like a frame. So I have left it like that. For the decoration part, I am using like this stones, stars and all. Let me stick it. For the four corners, I am going to stick it. I am using hot glue gun. You can use normal liquid glue also. And one main thing, if you are using hot glue gun, it will be so hard. Please take a elder help. So see how cute looks. Here I am gonna stick the stars. So see, like this I have decorated it. Not only this, you can do flowers, leaf or anything. Your decoration is your wish. So now last part. If you want, you can keep photos. This is me. Okay, and or you can give any positive thoughts like this. Failure is success in progress. So I have decorated return in calligraphy. So I'm gonna keep this. inside like this. First let me see the place and I'm gonna stick it. Guys, our frame is ready. After sticking this, you have to close this too also. So stick it, that's it. Backside nothing, no need to give any this design. So our frame is ready. If you want, I can keep photos also inside. It's so cute, right? Now let's do our last crafts. It is so interesting. Last craft is going to be so interesting. Let's do it. So for our last craft, name is Coconut Doll House. So for this you need a coconut shell. Let's start now. Take a coconut shell and you need a sandpaper. Rub it. For down you take a paper so that it is easy to clean. Just rub it. So the crafts materials I have kept in the description. Go check it out and do this crafts and enjoy your time. So let's rub it and paint it with your different colors. So now after scrubbing it neatly with sandpaper, scrub it neatly and I have painted it with 4 different colors. For decoration, I'm using like this mirror shape decoration like this some. So let's stick it carefully with hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can use Fevibond or Fevicol. So now I have sticked every mirror, decorated it very nicely. So now we need 4 ice cream sticks and paint it. So I have sticked all the ice cream sticks like this to the 4 corners. I have used only 4. You can use as much as you need. Now we need woolen, 4 pieces of woolen. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we have to tie the one head of the woolen to the ice cream stick and the other end with the 4 woolen strips. Like for 4 ice cream sticks also one woolen piece you have to tie it and hold it together and again tie a knot. Let's do it. Be careful. So now our coconut doll house is ready. I've made egg, flour and a doll, so it's so cute. Hope you all enjoyed this video and let's meet in coming episodes of Leisure Crafts. So now which craft do you like? So just comment it and I would like to see it. Thank you for watching the full video. Just like, share, comment and subscribe to Wow Galata. Bye.